Even as the famed Ragnarock ransomware group is shutting down, new strains of ransomware are emerging. LockFile Ransomware is a newcomer on the scene, taking advantage of recent vulnerabilities like PetitPotam and ProxyShell. The ransomware was first spotted attacking a US financial institution and has quickly set itself apart from other ransomware gangs. LockFile is largely targeting organizations in the US and Asia, but has been seen around the world. Their victims are typically in the finance, manufacturing, legal, travel, engineering, and business services sectors. The ransomware uses an intermittent file encryption technique to evade detection. This is similar to BlackMatter, LockBit 2.0, and DarkSide ransomware. The difference here is that LockFile encrypts only every other 16 bytes of a file. The active protection included in Acronis Cyber Protect already detects and blocks LockBit ransomware, detecting its behaviors to stop the encryption, and can automatically restore any files that were encrypted.